Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's spend the day together while we prioritize slow living, which means no rushing at all and doing the things we love. I love starting my mornings with some skincare. I'm using the glycolic acid and then I do apply my sunscreen. I love to do some gua sha, that way I can get rid of that puffy look. Let me know down in the comments if you have any skincare recommendations. Stepping outside to catch the morning breeze and a reset. With spring break finally here, I'm taking this time to update my planner. After a few months of challenging courses, these quiet moments alone help me reflect on how far we've come. I wanted to lean in and talk about the beautiful, messy reality of navigating your 20s. It's easy to look around and feel behind when you see people starting families or landing their dream careers, while you might still be figuring out your next move. But the truth is, every path has its own pros and cons. We're often in such a rush to reach the next milestone that we forget to breathe in the moment we're living right now. One day, we'll look back and miss these exact moments. Just remember, there is more than enough room for everyone to shine, and we are not late. We are in our own timeline. My day really starts after I have my coffee, so I went to Dunkin' and got myself a Dunkin' latte. Seriously, my favorite drink right now. I had a few things to take care of after lunch, so I didn't pick up the camera again until evening. We eventually headed out for a sunset walk along the beach. I'm really looking forward to the day we can have a picnic there together, just enjoying the views and each other's company while we read and even share a meal.